Today I'm gonna go pick up the Animal Crossing Switch. It is waiting for me at Best Buy. Side note, I put on a new concealer that is not necessarily the right shade for my under eyes. Let's just ignore that. So I'm picking up the Switch. It's under my fiance's name. Otherwise I would have gone already. I will catch up with you guys later once we have the Switch, hopefully, if nothing goes wrong. Okay, so we took a pit stop to go to Target to see if they still had this case. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we came to Target for a pit stop to see if they had this case because it comes with a screen protector, and we found it. Okay. So we are back, we arrived, we went to Best Buy, we picked it up, we ran into some sketchy people in the freaking parking lot, but it's fine. The Switch is here, nice and safe, and then like I mentioned in that earlier clip, I'm not sure how that clip turned out because I did drop it, but I did get the matching case, even though I didn't need to because I also ordered this one right here, which is going to be arriving with the game release. So I picked this one up because it did come with the screen protector, which I thought was pretty handy. I just don't like the color because I feel like it'll get dirty easily. But here's the box in all its glory. It looks absolutely beautiful and cute, and it's smaller than I expected, but I'm so happy. And then here's the back looking absolutely adorable. I'm so excited, you guys. I wish this came with the game. That would make this perfect, but it's okay. So we're gonna open it. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, and we're gonna see. So we have the really pretty Joy-Cons. I definitely love the colors. Then we have the Switch, which is pretty. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need two hands for this, but that's fine. So the back, I'm not, like, it's pretty, like the engravings are nice. I've seen a couple of these videos, but I'm mostly just excited for like the Joy-Cons and the way the dock looks. So here it is, nice and pretty. Scratchless for now. We're gonna put it down. We got our pretty Joy-Cons. Oh, the colors pop so nicely. Very tropical. I'm excited. Alright. How do you do this? So now it's all in place. I previously had the Pokemon Eevee one my fiance got me it, and then, you know, this one came out. So he's gonna get that one, and I'm gonna keep this one so you can see the engravings. Really, really cute, but I feel like what really shines is the dock itself. So that's what we're gonna look at right now. Okay. So we have the paperwork, cool. We have this thing, I don't know what it's called. And then we have our wires, of course, the adapter, and then best part, we have the little strap thing, right? Cool. And then we have the best part, which is the dock. Oh my goodness. It's just beautiful. It is so pretty. I can't deal. This is amazing. There's the back. I love it. I'm so excited. Awesome. Alright, so now we're gonna open this guy so we can get the screen protector. I'm so excited. It even has, oh no, never mind, I thought that was a fish. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright, so we have the screen protector, and then we have the actual case itself, which is really pretty. It's nice material. Oh, it's a different color on the back. Cool. I wish both sides were this color, because I feel like stains are less likely to be as visible, but that's fine. We're gonna open it up, and there you have it. So I'm excited for the other one that I ordered just because I feel like it's a little bit prettier on the outside, but this is actually not as bad as I thought it was. I'm actually glad I picked it up. There was quite a few of them left at my Target. We picked this up at the end of the day because my fiance was working, so I had anticipated there being none of these left. The consoles were all sold out, of course, but they had quite a few of these. So anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you're an Animal Crossing fan as well, let me know down below. Or if you play other games, let me know what you like. And I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye!